Hello everybody, welcome back to Chill in the UK. So whenever I say that I live in Nottingham, people always ask me the same question. What is happening with Broadmarsh? So you can see behind me is the car park, the bus station and the library, which apparently is amazing. The new central library. So if you've got kids and you want to take them to a cool library, that's amazing. You can see there's a little park behind me as well for the kids to play in. But the real question is what's happening with the shopping centre. Let me show you here. Here is the site of the old shopping centre. You can see it's all behind closed doors. But apparently the plan is to make this area multi-purpose space, again like the Island Quarter. But it'd be a lot more green space in it than there is now. They'll put a lot of different stuff here. They have got the history on the walls as well. You can see all how it was throughout history. So what I thought I'd do while I'm here and I've got my drone with me, I'm going to take my drone up and see what has actually been done on this development. It is just a shell now. They've kind of hidden as much as they could be. You can still see it in there. I like the drawings that they put on the side as well. The flora of Nottingham. It's pretty cool. But yeah, you can't see very much, can you, from this point? There's the tram going past there, over the bridge and past Nottingham College, which is a new building as well. Honestly, they've done so much in this area. People moan about Nottingham and everything, but they are developing things. They are making it nice for people who live here. So yeah, let's get the drone up, shall we? Right then, let's take a look at what they've been doing. Wow. Well, it doesn't look great. It looks a bit nasty. So you can see where it breaks through there into the city centre. You can see that where it is. It's there. That's where the entrance used to be. Broadmarsh. You can see they've knocked down so much of it. There used to be a road going through here, by the way, where I'm stood now. And there's the other car park up in the top there. And this was a huge shopping centre that a lot of people had memories in. So that's why I think I get asked about this a lot, because, you know, a lot of people that grew up in Nottingham, Broadmarsh was an important site for them. It looks like they've made a good headway anyway. We've still got a lot to demolish. There you go, there's Broadmarsh bus station and library. You can see the Broadmarsh development that's happening right now in one shot. Beautiful. Very nice. So I'm going to take it over the middle again, and then we'll do a panorama shot. The drone now, it's just literally above me. And let's take a panorama. The max height is 120 meters. Yeah, the clock chiming. I don't know if you can hear that on the camera, but yeah, the clock is chiming. I haven't even got my camera on me. What the hell? It's down here. Oh god, I fucked that up. Always keep my mic here. I don't know why I did that.
Landing.
Cool. So hopefully that filmed all right. thanks for watching, everybody. That's what's going on in Broadmarsh. For everyone that's asking what's happening, now you can see what stage they're at. I don't know when it's going to be done, but I'll keep you updated and we'll see. I don't know what happens in the future. I think it's going to be a cool space. Nottingham's only going to get cooler. So if you live in Nottingham, peace. Stay chill.